So this video right here is gonna be like a regular smegular day in the life of Jamion, and what I'm doing today is Monday, July 15th. I just got paid today, so this should be an exciting day. I have work, of course. I got my laptop pulled up now, trying to figure out what I need to get done today for the job. I think around my lunch break, I'm gonna go hang with the birthday boy. It's Terrell's birthday today. If y'all don't know Terrell is a guy that I've been in college with forever. I know him since middle school, but we didn't really connect until college. I gotta go get him a birthday gift today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to work from home from his house. So yeah, the vibes today. I need to show y'all like a sneak peek of my room because, guys, I've been interior designing this shit, and I'm gonna do a full in-depth video of everything. But this is like my little room right now. Y'all probably like, this nigga always wearing this hoodie. It's my comfort hoodie. Duh. Hi, Jamion. I think you can pick up where I left off. Let me upload the latest files to the server, run through what's left. I hate the server, bro. We have this thing at work called the server where we put all our projects there so people can access them across different offices. But when I tell you the server sucks, like you don't want to be using the server. Like imagine every time you open a browser and your Wi-Fi just goes the slowest that it can go as possible. 130, 230, 330, 430. This is something that always happens. I always watch like interior design stuff, and now I'm like, oh my god. He said take the chair off the wall. So now I'm over here playing with how I can lay out my chair to make it feel better. So that's what I'm about to do. I have so many of these. I'm really into this interior design stuff. Like I'm trying to elevate the hell out of my apartment. And this is why I have so many plants. Where I moved that from, and now the space is like empty, bro. Like imagine a nice chair right there, bro. Like a nice chair, some more plants. It's coming together. Literally, we just did like an impromptu living room change, and I'm thinking like, nah, this looks good as hell. Like I outdid myself. Look, bro. First off, I had like this Ikea bag, and it's been a trend for me just to keep plants in it. So boom, got the plant right there. We got the TV. Now this TV wall is looking a bit messy. I need something over here. I got to get me like a little chair. And then when you turn this way, boom, this is gonna be the new filming setup. Shit behind me now is gonna look good. Like then I created like a little walking space behind my couch. I can hide shit down here. But nah, I only think like I totally need like an art piece, maybe down the middle, something up there. But other than that, I think we outdid ourselves. I'm pretty proud of my living room now, because I did take a lot of stuff out my living room to decorate my bedroom, but now this is feeling great. Like it's starting to feel like a home. It always felt like a home, but now it's just feeling more homey. But I'm about to get back to work, and I just decided to like clean up my bedroom some. I cleaned up my bedroom, and we got our plants here now, and I need to find like a little table go in this area today. So I'm probably gonna go to Ikea on my lunch break. Nah, that shit is hard, bro. I did that. Guys, I did this. So these are like walls I designed last week, and they just came out so amazing, bro. So it all looks like this put together. I'm about to take lunch right now, and I'm gonna go head to Ikea, and then when I get back, I'll show you guys what I got. I got filming anxiety, bro. Like I just can't. I gotta build up my confidence filming in public, because if I take my girl to Ikea, it's like, oh, I gotta think about this shot, and I literally have 1 hour to go to Ikea and come back. I'm gonna make this hour count, and when I get back, I'll show you what I got. So I'm now back from Ikea. I'm about to get started back on working, but after I get off work, we're gonna put together this Ikea table that I got. Like I'm so excited to put it together, because this space over here don't have anything right now, and I think this is gonna be perfect for this space, because I think the table can also be used as like a bed desk. Literally, I forgot to grab my gear because we're supposed to be going to this little birthday dinner at 6:15. It's 6 o'clock, and I'm trying to pick up the birthday boy, bro. Like, bro, it's taking way too long. I told him I was here 5 minutes ago, and then we gotta go pick up his gift from Dick's Sporting Goods, and then we're gonna go eat with the guys. But boy, today was one of them days at work where it was like I literally, you know what? I'm not even gonna complain about it no more. I'm not. Today was a good day at work. That nigga finally decided to show up.
Nah, bruh. This is way too loud.
We have secured the gift. It's like this big ass Yeti. This shit heavy. I hope bro have fun with this because this shit heavy as hell. Like, bro.
Oh. Nah, it's one of those things to where
I don't even know where you gonna carry this.
Jamie,
you definitely not carrying this around every day.
Nah, Jamie had to give me my gift. But you know what's crazy? I got a gallon Yeti cooler. Not cooler. Water bottle. This is a gallon, right? I think it's a gallon.
For $130, it better be a gallon.
No, so it's already got some weight on it, but I know, like, with some water. Oh my gosh! But now you bring this out to the gym.
Oh yeah, when you bring the pickleball, everybody gets some of yours.
That what they say.
Yep, I'm definitely getting some. Shit. Bro, I need to. After I build this table, I'm like, I need to show you how I only hit my vape on turbo now. Bro, I had 290 carbs yesterday. But wait, so mama, hell no, I would not eat that shit. Don't we gotta? Hell no. Dang, I can't. I ain't buying no whole key. I want to do the insomnia cookie there. No, yes. We just finished the table, bro. This table took a lot out of me, and I was like, it's not gonna get built right. But we about to go set it up. I'm excited because I've always wanted a little table like this. And it's raining in Atlanta. I just got home from being out with the guys, having conversations and shit, and I feel so amazing. Like, today was a good day. My room looks amazing at night, but like, this setup is just, it's amazing right now, and I am so proud of that we did this today. We did this shit today. But that's the end of this day in the life. I hope y'all enjoy, because I'm about to go to bed so I can go to work tomorrow. Make sure y'all subscribe and become a Jamie Millionaire. We are the best army on YouTube. But good night, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one.